Checking your transaction history on Bybit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bybit website or open the Bybit app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to view your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets section. Once logged in, locate the Assets section on the main dashboard. This is where you can find all your account-related information, including your transaction history. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Assets section, look for the option labeled Transaction History. Click on it to open a detailed view of all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying filters, review the list of transactions displayed. You can click on individual transactions for more details, such as timestamps and amounts. By following these steps, you can efficiently check your transaction history on Bybit. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your trading activity and manage your investments effectively.